Hello everybody, welcome to Worldtopia channels. Remember to hit the like and subscribe, and also check out all the Fidget spinners link in the video description sections, and share the video to your friends. And let's get started. So today we are going to review this authentic Fidget Infinity Cube 3. And this is the original Kickstarter one, and this is very heavy. It's made from the pure aluminum alloy, and this is solid piece, not the fake one that from Amazon that is plastic. So this is very heavy, and it feels solid on your hand, and it's not too big, not too small. It's just enough. So this is called Infinity Cube because you can just keep turning and turning like on your hand. So you can just keep, let me see. So you can just keep turning. So the way it's designed is you can just kind of like flipping the pen, or like flipping the erasers. Like you can just keep flipping, and the weight distribution is very good. It doesn't feel light like some of the plastic one. Even though it will provide the same functionality, like it doesn't feel right. This one just feel comfortable on your hand, and you can take a look at the construction. So all there's no rough edge, everything is very smooth, and the joint, everything is that top quality. So this is the Infinity Cube. Come with very jewelry like paper box, and this is a traditional Fidget Cube. So you can see that it's not much bigger, but this one is very heavy. So let's take a look. So this guy is 1.8. So compared to that Sunkong is around 2.6. So this is more than double the weight of the Fidget spinners, but it doesn't. It's just so. Let's take a look at the Rubik's Cube. So this is a Rubik's Cube. This is his Infinity Cube. So just give you the size comparison, and you can turn. So the way it's designed is you can just keep turning. So just probably get some time to use to it, but once you get used to it, it's very similar to some sort of the Asian the Tai Chi exercise ball that you can just flip it on your hand. And this one is like keep you busy. And this is this is also the Kickstarter program called iSpin, and let's put it next to the Infinity Cube. and we'll put a link in the description. So this is super smooth, just very nice in your hand. This is made from the aluminum alloy. I think it's a high aluminum alloy, high quality one, and they come with different colors, black and silver. Well, I'll put a link to the Kickstarter page. I wish they can sell it on Amazon. So just like those ice beam that just sealed it so people don't buy the counterfeit one. And that's it for today. For the Infinity Cube from Bastion, and thank you for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button here, and also check out the other video right here. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.